Hey everybody, it's Logan with Woburn Toyota, and today we're checking out the all-new 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter. Let's get into it. Underneath the hood is a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid motor that makes 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Exclusive to the Trailhunter are these really cool bronze wheels wrapped in 33-inch all-terrain tires. You'll receive a snorkel, rock rails, and skid plates for added underbody protection, a Trailhunter branded roof rack, as well as 2.5-inch Old Man Emu shocks. Moving on inside, we're met with a really nice interior, starting with heated and ventilated, durable, soft-tech seating. You're going to have a heated steering wheel, a JBL premium audio system, dual digital dash cluster, and infotainment display, all the safety features you've come to expect, like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and color-changing LED fog lights for whatever kind of terrain or weather conditions you're facing. Another super useful feature exclusive to the Trailhunter trim is a built-in air compressor for all of your outdoor adventures. Thanks for checking out the all-new 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter with me today. If you like what you see, connect with us today to learn more or to schedule your test drive.
Get respect, oh,